In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Foxit PDF Editor. So the easiest way to do this is simply by going to this Edit tab up top, and from here you can click on Edit Text, which will allow you to basically see these kind of borders and the kind of text select boxes over your text. You can just click inside the text, and you can just basically highlight over it, and then click the backspace key or delete key, and it's going to delete or erase that specific text. That's the first way. However, if you have things like different shapes over here, you could go to Edit Object, click on this arrow down button, and select whatever that is, for example, shape here, and I can go ahead and select different shapes like this, and I can just hit my delete button on my keyboard, and then it's going to allow me to basically delete these completely, and that way I can just erase everything inside a PDF. So, of course, you can just select up here and go to Images if you want to erase images, and then here you have shading, stuff like that. You can do all that within here inside the Foxit PDF Editor. So, that's how to erase. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.